Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.25 trillion. We're up 6.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 47.2%. If we're looking at the overall markets, we're starting to see a lot of green across the board, and a lot of analysts are calling this to be the next leg up for the whole cryptocurrency market. So a lot of exciting times ahead for cryptocurrency holders. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently trading at 20.36 cents. It's up 8.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's up 0.6% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. Current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is top 14, and the market cap right now is $13.2 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $2.1 billion. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in the last year alone, VeChain is still up a staggering 4,100%. In just the last 30 days, a staggering 127.5%. So everything is looking very, very bullish for VeChain. But yeah, I'm gonna share something with you guys, and then we will come and do our price analysis on VeChain. So crypto.com posted this. Crypto.com exchange list Veto. Trade Veto and USD pair now. So if you're a holder of Veto, this might be very, very exciting for you guys, because crypto.com is a huge platform. So this is very, very exciting for Veto holders. And also, VeChain Foundation posted this. Good news, VeChain is now much more accessible to the Turkish community. You may now purchase VeChain on Binance with the addition of TRY fiat pair. So very exciting. I had to share this with you guys as well. So if we're looking at the price of VeChain, what is VeChain doing? It's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. And that was to hover around this range, and it's doing exactly that right now. And as I've mentioned in my previous videos, like my yesterday's update, I strongly believe that the month of May is the month where we will smash past our all-time high and see some newer highs for VeChain. I can't believe the month of May is already approaching. Time is flying like this year. It's insane. But yeah, if we're looking, as you guys can see, I've mentioned what I would like to for a VeChain to do is hover around this range, just accumulate for a while, and then we might even go around here, see some choppiness before we start seeing heading towards our newer all-time high, and 30 cents is the next target. And so far so good. As long as Bitcoin stays steady and rises up gradually, I believe altcoins are gonna fly like crazy, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. We're seeing some altcoins flying like there is no tomorrow, and this goes to show, guys, excuse me, this goes to show patience is key. Patience is a very, very important in the market, and I always keep on saying that to you guys. If you have done your due diligence and research and you have invested what you can afford to lose, guys, patience will be your best friend in crypto. And because nothing goes up straight forever in one line, guys. Like, I cannot stress this enough. I know a lot of newcomers are coming in the markets, and I've been reading a lot of comments. I do not blame you guys, but at the end of the day, guys, nothing is gonna go up in one line. That's just unheard of. Like, I know a lot of people come and say, oh, like let's look for instance with Cardano. A lot of people are like, oh, Cardano is just trading at like $1.30 for so long, and it's not even going up. Guys, zoom out and look at the bigger picture and see how far Cardano has come. And even with VeChain has come up a long, long way. A lot of people, I've been reading comments and are saying VeChain is boring, it's not going up, like when is the dollar coming, or when is 50 cents coming. Guys, we have to be patient. There has to be some sort of accumulation zone before we do see newer highs. Nothing is gonna go up in one line all the way to 50 to $1, and because we're gonna dump even harder. Like if that were to happen, that's a clear pump and dump scheme. So please be patient, and your patience will be rewarded if you have done your due diligence and research, and if you have invested what you can afford to lose. Your patience will be rewarded. But if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, everything is looking extremely, extremely bullish. If we are seeing how far we are from its all-time high, just we're currently just 39% away from its all-time high, guys. And if we were to get a little bit more volume to kick in, VeChain is off to the races. Once we get into this range, guys, and accumulate between here for like a couple of days, it's just a matter of time before we head towards the new all-time high and break this resistance, and then sky's the limit, because then it's price discovery mode and there's no resistance up there. So sky's the limit. It's just how much more volume to kick in, and then the price can go as high as it wants to. So 30 cents is the next psychological point, in my opinion, and I believe that's where there will be some people taking profit. So we could hover around back to 28 cents. And but long-term future, guys, you guys know my stance. I always have been saying this over and over again, but I know a lot of newcomers are coming in on my channel. And if you guys don't know, VeChain is solving a real world problem, and it has a real use case. Majority of the cryptocurrencies in the markets don't even have a real use case. Meanwhile, VeChain actually has a real use case, and on top of that, it is bringing mass adoption to our crypto space, and that is very, very bullish. So projects like VeChain that have a real utility and working product, bringing mass adoption to the crypto space, big backers such as Walmart China, BMW, Starbucks, H&M, AWS, Salesforce. Like, this goes to show these kind of projects are here to stay if they keep on delivering what they are doing right now. And if you guys don't know, like, if it's your first time coming on my channel and watching my video, have my personal price prediction for VeChain was initially 38 cents. But guys, we're nearly, like, at that price prediction. My price prediction to have been reached. Like, it's I believe in the next month of May, or even end of May, we could even possibly see my price prediction that I initially had made last year reach. Because guys, there is so much hype around it. There's so much potential for VeChain, and a lot of people are starting to realize that. And a lot of people are saying, especially big analysts, are saying that this might be the biggest altcoin rally we have ever seen in the history of cryptocurrencies. And if that were to happen, guys, VeChain can easily hit $1, or even go past it in this bull cycle. And if you guys want to know exactly how I got my price prediction that I made last year, go watch my price prediction. Just go on YouTube, look up Crypto ZX VeChain price prediction, and you will see that. And then you guys can see how I got that. And VeChain has come a long, long way. I did not see it being traded at this price this early on, and that goes to show the amount of interest there really is, the building up. And guys, VeChain family, this is just the absolute start. But with that being said, I always want to say, if you have too much money that you cannot afford to lose, guys, first of all, I say you guys cannot be investing too much for you, like, to lose. But obviously, if you invested early on and now you have built up so much money that you cannot afford to lose, guys, always have some sort of exit strategy in place. Like, please always have some sort of exit strategy in place, and always do take profits, because nothing is gonna go up straight forever. We cannot be greedy, because look at this. These kind of corrections will always occur. I promise you, they will always occur in cryptocurrency market, because markets can be manipulated, and also markets can be manipulated, and people do tend to take profits. And we cannot stop that. As you guys may know, Bitcoin is the leading indicator. If it goes down, majority of the altcoin market goes down with it, double digits. So that's why it's very important to have some sort of exit strategy in place, so you guys can lock in your profits. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. So if we were to get before I end this video, if we were to get a sort of volume to kick in around these levels, it's just a matter of time before VeChain is off to the races, and we will see some newer highs. So everything is looking very, very bullish as of now. but we have to also look at the bearish scenario if that were to play out. Let's say the markets tend to get manipulated. I always look at both the scenarios, guys, and if that were to happen, and let's say Bitcoin dips down to that $45,000 level, because that's always a possibility, and if that were to happen, I think we will be supported by this support level at that 15 cents range. If we're unable to hold around this level, guys, as you guys can see, this is a strong level of support for Vechain. But if we're unable to hold around this level, then we can even possibly go down to this level. But as of now, guys, the markets are making a recovery, so that bullish scenario does outweigh the bearish scenario as of now. But we always have to keep this in mind, because if you guys have been following me on my channel, I am not just an ultra moon boy that's just gonna be like, yeah, guys, you know what, we're just gonna keep going up, and there's no potential of going down. That's not me. I always keep it realistic with you guys. And if we're looking at VeChain's Google Trends, I'm sorry, and we are still seeing quite a bit of Google searches being made on VeChain, and that is to be expected. As I've mentioned, there's a lot of hype building up on VeChain and projects like VeChain that were being slept on at the beginning, but now a lot of people are starting to realize that, and everything is looking very, very nice for VeChain right now, guys. So this is it for today's update. Yeah, please, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and always stay safe out there. Safety is important, health is important, and family is the most important thing. And everything else absolutely comes later, guys. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. I really, really do appreciate each and every one of you guys showing me so much support. Like honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And I try to make the best content possible for you guys, the most informative, because I put myself in your guys' shoe. I'm not here shilling some Bybit links or leverage trading links, because I care about you guys. I do get a lot of emails telling me to cover this, but no, guys, like, I am not gonna be sharing these shady things with my viewers, because I actually care about each and every one of you guys, and your support means the world to me. So thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And yeah, guys, always invest what you can afford to lose. And I cannot stress this enough, and always do your own due diligence. And with that being said, guys, I think I am going to wrap up today's update video around here. And let me know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying these daily VeChain and Cardano videos that I have been giving you guys over the last month. And so far everyone is loving them. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for the support. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.